Alright, what's up? I'm Dr. 2020. I'm with Electra. Yes, this is Electra. And who animates.
Yes.
And we've got this. We don't know what it is. From what I've been told, it's like a energy drink. We got freaking watermelon.
But it still has sugar in here. You know, it says no added sugar.
Yeah, switch gears, switch hands, switch everything. Jesus Christ, Jesus. No, I'm literally reading Jesus. Jesus. Calm down, Jesus.
And I have a drink.
Let's crack this open.
Interesting. Tastes
This-
like juice.
It does say 100% sparkling juice, Electra.
What's juice?
Exactly. Exactamundo, friend.
Still, it's juice.
If I've ever been with 6 different juices.
What, 6 different ones?
It doesn't mean that, wait, does it mean like there's like three watermelon juice and like 3 strawberry juice? Because if that's the case, then
Strawberry watermelon. It has apple juice in here.
it doesn't do.
It has apple juice in the ingredients.
I know.
Apple juice, grape juice,
Well, it does say
carrot
favorite.
juice,
It does say favorite band with.
strawberry juice, watermelon juice, black something juice.
It does say with plant 6 juices, so it gets to make sense. The switch. Interesting drink if I do see someone myself.
You lied about it. It's flavor strawberry watermelon. There's more than one.
I don't know why, but I heard there's like a certain type of energy drink, but
I don't think this is an energy drink.
yeah, I don't see no caffeine. Those fools lied to me.
He lied. But yeah, it says sparkling 100% juice.
But it's something interesting. I mean, it's something new and dry.
Yeah.
So what do you think about it overall?
That's good.
It's alright. Could you drink this on a daily basis?
No, I would not.
But you would eat cheese on a daily basis.
Yes, I would. I would eat cheese.
You eat cheese any day. Even if it's freaking in the middle of the night.
I think I still have the Jolly Rancher in my pocket. I never ate. Or did I lost it? I freaking lost it. It's in my pocket.
Well, if I find out, get a freaking Jolly Rancher or something like that.
I lost it. Oh, there goes the Jolly Rancher that was from this morning.
No big deal.
I wonder how I lost it.
Just keep this plant healthy. Please recycle this can.
Where does it say recycle?
Right here, genius.
Oh.
Jesus Christ, I know your brain cells don't work well, but I next really did work not that well. Well, what?
I don't know.
Okay, so this kind of gave me like a video project idea.
What?
The switch, like we got an orb and we somehow switch bodies. Like you're like your consciousness in my body, my consciousness in your body. We act like each other. For me, it'll probably be hard for you maybe.
It will be hard.
Yeah, cause I'm kind of energetic. I'm sort of loud sometimes.
And I'm climbing nothing. I'm not going to dare to climb.
You're quiet.
Yes, I am.
Let's be honest. Well, you're quiet in class. Well, we don't in class together. But whenever we play games, you're like, wee.
Yes, I'm playing my little cardboard guitar. It's still a guitar.
I know, so guitar. But yeah, so overall, this is alright. What would you rank it? Let's be honest.
5 out of 10.
I'll give it like a solid 7 out of 10. But switch gears, switch channels. Why are we switching things? Switch hands.
Which.
Freaking switch bodies. Like, just like tap the categories. We switch bodies. Like, how did that work?
Switch.
Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching the video. You know, I could have something to like spill. I guess it was nothing. It's nothing. It was plastic. It's a. We both have plastic knives. Yes, we're teenagers, but we act childish. That doesn't matter. No, why? Because we're bored, and we're best friends. Have I mentioned that before? That we're best friends? And I don't think we have. I don't think I have in any of my videos.
I threw mine away.
Yeah, but anyway, check out Electra's channel, Electra Animates, for interesting animations. We like I said, I know I've said this like many times. We're recording a project. We don't know when we're gonna record it itself,
Yep.
but eventually we will.
Eventually.
And if this fly will leave me alone. Anyway, bye, guys.
Still, I'll give it 5 out of 10. Still.
Yeah, Electra. I want to see something. I'm gonna try to crush it on my head.
Okay, go for it.
I prefer Georgie.
I think this drink is too much.
And you're staying here, stick around if you want to see us act like idiots. Let's just go to my channel, her channel, man. We act like idiots. I'm gonna. And another thing, before I end this video, Thursday, no more room may come out on Thursday.
I know this. Oh, it's 12:59.
Yes, anyway.
I think the bill already ran.
Anyway, bye.